Hey guys, it's Robert. I want to say thanks for coming to the channel, and I am out here with my oldest son Jesse, and he's getting pretty tall, isn't he? Anyways, we are in front of Mom's 2013 Lexus LX570, and you can see it right there. And what are we going to do today, Jesse?
We're going to change the cabin air filter.
Right, so it's got about 76,000 miles. Picked it up used a few months ago. Don't know how dirty it is. I like to just go ahead and just start from scratch, change it. It wasn't too expensive. Where did I get this from?
Amazon.
Got it from Amazon, or I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. You can always get OEM. There's nothing wrong with OEM. This one right here though is a little bit cheaper, and also it has Arm & Hammer baking soda stuff, so it's supposed to help absorb the stink. So that's the reason why I want to try it. And either always check your filter. I don't know what the frequency is. I think it's 10,000 miles, but check your manual to see. It depends on your vehicle actually. But I think 10,000 miles or less is a good amount. Also, if you're in a dusty area, you definitely want to check it, or at least change it more often. All right, guys? So Jesse's going to demonstrate how to change this cabin filter, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go to it. You know, one of the things I heard, Jesse, is that make sure your car is off, because this car, it has an auto setting for filtering from outside to inside. So when it thinks it's dirty, it will go through like getting fresh air versus recirculation when it senses it's being dirty. And because of that, there's actually a door that flips another way. So we want to make sure that door is set to close or open. I can't remember which one, but we'll check it out. But make sure your car is off. Yeah. So Jesse, we gotta clear out the glove compartment. We got, what is this? We got a bunch of stuff, so let's clear it out.
I'll clear it down the floor.
Look how thick this manual is, Jesse.
Yeah.
Wow, that's thick.
We'll take everything down.
So we gotta clear it out because it's all in underneath there. Yep. Yep.
And some of
Yep.
this.
We gotta get this shelf off. So
This thing.
be careful. Yep. Let's see how we do that. What do you think? Maybe up?
Yeah,
maybe out?
up.
Fill it around. Up. Does it look like up? You got the right side up.
Yeah.
Yep. So it looks like it's up and out. What do you think?
I think and out. I think.
You got it almost. Make sure.
Almost.
Maybe it's just up and out. A little
Yeah.
higher. A little higher in the back. The back needs to go up too, Jesse. No? Okay. You want me to help you?
Right. Yeah, I need some help getting it out.
Here, hold that.
So I'm worried I'm gonna break it.
Right. Let's see. So, oh, it's just straight out.
Yeah.
It has these tabs, so it is actually a little up and a little out. All right, Jesse. So we got the shelf off, and you can see right there.
This is the door here.
There's a door. So go ahead and take the door off. How do you take that off?
You just push these tabs down.
Downward
and it
and
opens
pull
like
it.
that.
All right, and take a look at that. So we can't see the filter because that thing's in the way, right?
Yeah.
Where this is, and the reason why was it on recirculation? What was it on?
It wasn't on this.
On that one, open.
Yeah.
So what happens is that when we turn off the car, it was set to
that one.
get the air, fresh air.
It was set that
And
one.
because of the fresh air, you can see. Look at this door thing right now. This cover, it's actually covering the filter. So what we need to do is, you don't want to force this. I actually read an article, guys were forcing this, and you could break it. And if you break this, you're going to pay some money or do some bad stuff. So do not force this right here. What we got to do is turn on ignition. Go ahead and do it, Jesse.
Yeah.
So you don't have to start it, but turn it on so you get ignition.
Yeah.
Wait till you get the climate settings. Go ahead and change the climate settings.
Okay. Ready?
Lit up. Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna change it from auto to there. 3, 2, 1, go.
And look at that.
It opens.
Just moved. So go ahead and turn that off again. Let's show them the whole thing.
It's closing.
So look how it's closed, and then let's go ahead and open it.
And there we go. We push it once.
Okay, so you can see that's how we can expose the filter, and you could tell even from here it's pretty dirty. So turn off the ignition, Jesse.
This is where the fan is in there as well.
Yep.
Blower.
The blower, yep.
Blower there.
So go ahead and the high vac motor, HVAC motor. Go ahead and take out the. How do you take that out?
You just push these
There's
like
two tabs on the outside, and then upward.
Yeah.
Pull.
And it goes out and it
Slowly
goes out.
pull it out. Yep. So look how dirty it is. It's pretty dirty. So I think it was a good time we changed it. It got leaves and junk.
Yeah.
I don't know how It looks like this is a charcoal filter or something because it's still dirty. So I think it's good enough to change it. Plus, like I said, I don't know how long it's been in here. So it says up. So let's go ahead and get the other one out.
Open it up.
Let's see. I don't know if this is a full cartridge or do we have to take this out or what?
I need to tape it. Maybe I
just cut it. Look at that filter. Turn it to the sides. Look at it. Look at the flow.
Airflow's down.
The airflow shows down. This one shows up.
So I have to flip it.
So no, that's correct.
Yeah.
Because you know why? This goes up, but you see all the stuff trapped? That means it came from top down. So the airflow is correct on that one. The arrow still is down. So that's a little bit of confusion about OEM and buying aftermarket. I saw this in the Toyota. Let's take this off first, Jesse. So look at the way the grates go, left to right, right? You see that? So we're going to do the same direction, left to right. So go ahead and take this out.
Right.
So you're going to kind of just push it through.
I'll somehow push this
Yeah,
up.
so that you're just going to push it through and take it up. And see, this is aftermarket only, replace, not service. That one says up here. See, that's up, but that's showing airflow. This is aftermarket. This is not OEM. So the airflow says down, so we're good that way. So remember the direction.
This one says up.
Yeah, but this is down. And remember the grates go left and right like you did there.
This
Perfect.
is where it is.
Yep, so just stick it in there. Wow, that's easy, right?
Yeah, that's easy.
All right, go ahead and slap it back in, dude.
This is what a fan motor thing is.
Yep, you can actually
there.
see the fan right there.
Yeah, now I'm going to set it in.
Until it kind of snaps in, right?
I'm just trying to align it.
Went all the way back.
There.
There you go,
clipped.
nice and clipped. So now, let's go ahead and turn on the car or turn on ignition.
Yeah.
And then flip that switch and make sure the door closes up and down.
Yeah.
Just to make sure we have clearance, we're not going to get any
ignition's on.
ignition.
We're going to check it.
Yep.
All right, we're going to push it.
Push it. Woo! Okay, good. Okay, we could leave it off or on, doesn't matter. Go ahead and turn off the ignition. Yeah, it works good. Turn off the ignition.
Yeah.
All right, let's replace the car or the door.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, you got it.
I got it. There, these are snapped on.
Yep. And then you just gonna put the shelf on.
Yeah.
So that one just snaps on through the the ends. Yep. And then down a little bit. Yep. Push it. Yep. I think that's good. And down. Yep.
Yeah.
Now we're just gonna put the stuff back and that's it. So I want to say good job, Jesse.
Yeah.
And what else do you want to say?
Peace out.
Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. And what do you say?
Peace out.
Peace out.